Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Likiza. Today we are going to learn how to use these French verbs. Rater, réussir, échouer and gagner so that you don't ever get confused by them. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Rater can either mean to fail, to miss, or to mess up, depending on context. And this is how we conjugate rater in present tense. Je rate, tu rates, il rate, elle rate, on rate, nous ratons, vous ratez, il rate, elle rate. Let us now look at rater to mean to fail. We have some sentence examples here. And the first one is j'ai essayé de courir le marathon, mais j'ai raté de terminer. I tried to run the marathon, but I failed to finish it. Another example is ses parents étaient déçus qu'elle a raté son examen. Her parents were disappointed that she failed her exam. Please note that you can also use échouer to mean to fail. And to say the last example using échouer will be ses parents étaient déçus qu'elle ait échoué à son examen. Her parents were disappointed that she failed or she had failed her exam. We continue with rater to mean to miss. Ils ont raté leur vol. They missed their flight. Il va rater son rendez-vous. He is going to miss his appointment. And please note that manquer is another verb that means to miss, and I have taught all about it in a previous video, which I'm going to link in my description box. And finally, let us finish with rater to mean to mess up. Il a raté le travail. He messed up the job. Le projet est raté. The project is messed up, or the project is unsuccessful. And if you are enjoying the lesson so far, please hit the like button so that this video can reach more people, and subscribe to the channel before I continue. Réussir can either mean to pass an exam, that is, to succeed, or to achieve, depending on context. And this is how we conjugate it in the present tense. Je réussis, tu réussis, il réussit, elle réussit, on réussit. Nous réussissons, vous réussissez, ils réussissent, elles réussissent. Let us look at a sentence example with réussir to mean to pass an exam. Elle était heureuse parce qu'elle avait réussi son examen. She was happy because she had passed her exam. And now a sentence example with réussir to mean to succeed. Le projet a réussi. The project succeeded. And finally, a sentence example with réussir to mean to achieve. Il vise toujours à réussir beaucoup de choses. He always aims to achieve a lot of things. Please note that other verbs which mean to achieve are atteindre, réaliser, and also accomplir. Échouer means to fail, and this is how we conjugate it in the present tense. J'échoue, tu échoues, il échoue, elle échoue, on échoue. Nous échouons, vous échouez, ils échouent, elles échouent. Let us revisit a sentence example I gave when talking about rater. Ses parents étaient déçus qu'elle ait échoué à son examen. Her parents were disappointed that she had failed her exam. And then we have this expression, après avoir échoué à, after failing to. For example, après avoir échoué à obtenir son permis de conduire, elle en a fait une nouvelle demande. After failing to get her driver's license, she made a new application, or she reapplied for it. And finally, we have gagner. Gagner can either mean to win or to earn, as in money, depending on context. And this is how we conjugate it in the present tense. Je gagne, tu gagnes, il gagne, elle gagne, on gagne, nous gagnons, vous gagnez, il gagne, elle gagne. Let us look at sentence examples with gagner to mean to win. Elle est bonne aux échecs. Elle gagne toujours. She's good at chess. She always wins. Il a gagné aux élections et est maintenant Premier ministre. He won the elections and is now the Prime Minister. And now gagner to mean to earn. Je dois travailler pour gagner de l'argent. I have to work to earn some money. And please note that this expression, gagner sa vie, means to earn a living. For example, pour gagner sa vie, il faut avoir un métier. To earn a living, you must have a profession. And this is how we use these French verbs, depending on their different contexts and meanings. If you enjoyed the lesson, please hit the like button, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my pinned comment on how to join a French class with me, and also on the various ways in which you can support me and my work. À bientôt!